Okay, and here is the second half. Once again, you may want to stop and write this down, and then take time to see if you can replicate and see this box and whisker on your calculator. It's going to look really odd, and you'll see why on the next page. Okay, so here it is, that basketball stuff again, but I'm going to make the box and whisker by hand. You don't have to use the calculator. So first off, I see that my minimum is 125 and my maximum is 19,000. So I've got to create an equal scale. And I decided to go by thousands. So I'm starting here at 0, and hopefully 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000. Okay, so if I was to do a box and whisker, I'd have to put my box somewhere between my lower quartile, which I believe I have listed here wrong. So let me straighten this out. Yep, let me change this because that's my minimum. That's not my lower quartile is 257 roughly. Okay, now we can do it. I'm going to come over here and I got to take my box. My box has to go between my lower quartile, which is 257, which is going to be, well, if this is 1,000, if this is 1,000 and this is 0, then my box has got to go between my inner quartile, which is from 257 to 3,000. So my box has got to start here at 257 and stretch 1,000, 2,000, 3,067. It's got to look like that. Now let's make this red so it sticks out and you can see it. And then this line's got to go all the way to my maximum, which is somewhere right about there. And again, let's make that red so you can see it. And then the line's got to go the other way, all the way down to from my first quartile to my minimum, which was 125. And I can't even draw it because it's so small, and that's why your thing looked so minute. There it is. There's that little tail, and we'll just stick it right there. And the last thing we have to put in is the median. The median was about 602. So if this is 1,000, my median is going to be about halfway between 0 and 1,000, and that's what your box and whisker would look like if you drew it out by hand. And now you can see why this guy over here is such an outlier. His salary is so up, there's the bell. His salary is so far out here compared to the rest of the NBA. All right, that's it. Bye.